So, compost, I just love this stuff. It is from the Latin compostum, which means to put something together. And that's what you're doing. You're putting together a better garden if you compost. There are reasons not to compost with kitchen scraps. There are plenty of reasons. But there is really no reason, if you're a gardener, to not simply put your organic debris not in a garbage bag to go off to the town dump, right? It could be as simple as that.
Right. And I am still wondering, did you make that up? Is compostum really a Latin word?
I didn't get it from chat. I got it from a dictionary type website. I certainly got it from a
Okay.
website. Sorry.
Very cool. Compostum. I have always, since I was shamed, composted my chicken scraps, my kitchen scraps. I don't like having wet stuff in my garbage cans.
I don't either.
And because what happens in a garbage can is that you end up with all of these air pockets. And air pockets with smelly garbage and dry garbage end up with big smelly garbage. And that's true not only in your garbage can outside, but on your garbage pail inside. And so it just makes so much sense to me, just on that level of hygiene, not to have them smell. Now, you might think when they are on your sink, they smell just as badly, but they don't when they're all together and you've got the lid tightly on them. Or they might have a little bit, but not really.
First of all, no one says you have to compost kitchen scraps. We hope you do because that's where the good stuff comes from. But if you do, no one says you have to keep it by your kitchen sink. That's the easiest place to keep it. But certainly no one says that you don't have to empty it every day. I keep it in what would consider to be a plastic ice cream tub about that big. And it's got a very tight seal on it. And I empty those, I don't know, 2-3 times a week, depending on how many times I've gone out to dinner. And so when I do, everything is recognizable as exactly what I cut up and put into a salad, or didn't because it was the ugly part. And it's not beginning to decompose at all. But even just not putting your weeds, your dead plants, your leaves on the street. I mean, just start there. That is the very basis of composting.